Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be discussing 5 altcoins that have huge potential, and I definitely think these are ones to keep on your radar looking forward into 2021 and of course going into 2022. Market is doing fantastic. Global crypto market up 0.5% over the last 24 hours, 1.86 trillion, really getting back to that 2 trillion mark that we once seen before back in April. Things are looking much better now. Actually, Bitcoin slightly down, just over 1%, still in this $45,000 range, but we've seen it pop over 46,000. So just a slight pullback, probably some profit taking. Ethereum still at a very high of $3,100, down 0.15%. Not much at all, but over the 7-day you can see that these coins have been doing fantastic. Bitcoin almost 20% increase over the last 7 days, as well as Ethereum over 26% increase over the 7 days. So basically mostly everything is looking in the green today, as we see on this list here. Dogecoin down slightly, here we go, 1.5%, but overall in the 7-day up over 28%. Can't complain about any of this. Before we go any further, guys, please consider subscribing, turning on post notifications, dropping a like on the video, sign up for Webull, link in the description below, Binance, all my affiliate links. The first one on my list today is Cardano ADA. We've been seeing monster gains, as you see here, up over 5% in the last 24 hours, coming in at $1.56. Volume up over 40%. Wow, a lot of moves are coming into this. A lot of people want to get into Cardano. 2.6 billion. Market cap up over 5% as well. $50 billion market cap. Things are looking very healthy for Cardano, for ADA. As we can see, looking at the chart, let's go to the 1-day just to get a better picture of what's happening. So here we can see having some nice lows in the 146, 145 range, as we see with the low of the 24-hour 145 with a high of 159. So really getting to that 160 level. Now we talked about this last week. We talked about Cardano, and as we see, let's take a look at the price over the 7-day. It was much lower. It was about 130, and this was actually after the bull run. So this was after a few days of actually running into a nice market. But if you look at the gains that you could have had potentially from just over a week, here you have last week on Tuesday dipping down to $1.03, right? This was an absolute great time, in my personal opinion, to buy. This is not financial advice, guys, only for entertainment purposes. But look at this, $1.03, and then skyrocketing, right, almost to $1.60. So a good like almost 50% gain in the last week. So that's a huge gain. We could see this being a 2x by next week, and we spoke about this last week, guys. So this is a great one to get into. This is one of my top picks. Now we're going to go back to my number 2 pick for today, which is XRP. XRP is definitely on my radar. A lot happening with the SEC and the lawsuit against Ripple that started in December 2020. So much news has been coming out with the SEC demanding, Slack conversations and all this important data from Ripple, which they had produced, but in the end they stated that they had some data issues and they didn't provide all the data indicated by the SEC. So they will still have some time to provide all of that. If you're not familiar with Slack, it's just an instant messaging tool that offices will use to communicate with their staff. So you may use iMessage or WhatsApp or these things in your personal life with your friends. Slack is just a professional one. You can use it as well, but it's just more for offices. As we see, the low for XRP was 79 cents, so pretty much 80 cents here, with a high of 85.58, almost nearing 86 cents. So as we look on the 1-day, we're having tremendous gain, just over 0.5%. But let's paint a different picture by taking a look at the 7-day. I'm a huge fan of this token. I think this is definitely something you need to have in your portfolio. As you see, just last week, about 70 cents, 69 cents when we were talking about this, and now you could have got out at 85 cents. Huge gain, right? Almost 20%, about 17% there. Fantastic investment in my personal opinion. Remember, guys, not financial advice. Third altcoin for today is Chiliz, which is CHZ. About 31 cents here. So a nice low priced crypto to get into, up almost 2.5%, 24 hours. Volume 888 million, so nearing that 1 billion, as we see, up over 5% in the day. Market cap just under 2 billion. Things are definitely looking good for this crypto. As we see low and high, here we go, 30 cents to 35. So a nice 15% gain during this time. If we look at this chart, this is a phenomenal crypto to start looking into, guys. It's very since it's on the low side, you know, you have a great chance to pick up more and have a bigger portfolio, bigger size. But just looking in, you know, just last week, this was only about 30 cents. And going over the 7-day now, just to take a look at what's been happening. Sorry, that was the 1-day chart. As you see here, not much happening. This was at 25 cents for the longest time, just sitting in there. And this is where I took entry, right around the 25 cent, 26 cent range. And very, very cool in my opinion. This is going to be good. So they are a leading digital currency for sports and entertainment, powering the world's first blockchain-based fan engagement and rewards platform. That's socios.com. So fans can purchase and trade branded fans token, as well as having the ability to participate, influence, and vote in club-focused surveys and polls. So founded in Malta in 2018, company's vision is to bridge the gap between the active and passive fan, providing millions of sports fanatics a fan token which acts as a tokenized share of influence. So definitely something to keep on your radar. Do your own research, do some due diligence, but trust me, this is going to be one you're not going to want to forget. And I'm just going to go to nomics.com right here, get some nice data. I love this site. Can definitely give you all the information you need. We're just going to take a look at some historical data and see what exactly we can get up to on this. So going down here, typical information as all crypto platforms. And we can see here that the all-time high, which was just a couple months ago, actually like 4 months ago, back in April 15, 2021, was 71 cents. So even getting in now at this, you know, run-up price that has been running with the crypto market rally as well as the Bitcoin rally, even though we're up quite a bit at 31 cents, you still can double your money if we get up to that all-time high of 71 cents. And from then, we can only continue to climb. Fourth crypto for today, altcoin, we have Terra Luna, $14.71, up almost 4%, 24 hours. Volume coming down a little bit, just over 2%, nothing to actually worry about. 431 million, market cap at $6 billion. Things are looking good for this. This is one of my favorite cryptos. Now, it is a little on the higher price compared to Chiles, but our XRP. However, still much, much cheaper than Bitcoin or Ethereum, which is driving the market right now. So if we look at the 7-day, we can see the amount of price action that it's been having. And it does really nice gains here. As you see, 24 low, $13.69 with a high of $15.19. So looking all over, this was in the high $13 range, even in the $12 range at one point. So we can see that this has room to grow. And this has been one of my nice picks that we spoke about last week as well. Of course, looking back a couple weeks, if we go down to the month, we can tell that this was the day right around the 20th of June, near the end of July, sorry. This is where all the coins kind of went to their bottom or really near a bottom. As we see here, this was only priced about $5.70. So you're almost up $10. You almost triple your money here. Actually, you'd be triple your money, which is a very great investment. And like I said, it has plenty of room to grow. Back to Nomics to get the all-time high. We can see here 2207. And this was March 20th, 2021. So a few months back, early on in the year. So $22 being at this $14.73 right now. Still 50% a gainer right there if we ever get back to this all-time high. And the way the crypto market has been going, especially with Bitcoin and Ethereum, we are going to see this hit this definitely, in my opinion, by the end of the year. So you still have a substantial amount of money to gain on this coin. And my fifth and final altcoin for today, Tuesday, August 10th, is AMP. So coming in about 6 cents here, just down, just 0.21. This has been fluctuating, so it's continually going up and down. Volume coming down about 16%, 36 million. Market cap, 2.5 billion. Now this is an exciting one. As we see here, price action doesn't go too crazy as it's only about 6 cents. So going from 6 cents to 6.2, not such a huge gain, but this one definitely has room to grow. It's another great low, super low price crypto to get into. You know, at 6 cents, can't really complain. As you see now, we're up 0.21. So now we're getting in the green. As we can see, over the 1 month, we're gonna go to 30-day just to kind of see where we bottomed out on that, you know, end of July date. So right around here, same time where all these cryptos were kind of going downhill, we can see that we're in the almost 4 cents, so 0.39, 0.39. So could have doubled your money by now. So great investment in my opinion, guys. Of course, as I said, not financial advice. And AMP is described as a new digital collateral token offering instant variable assurances for any kind of value transfer. Using AMP, networks like Flexa can quickly and irreversibly secure transactions for a wide variety of asset-related use cases. Now going to nomics, now I get some historical data. As we can see, the all-time high for AMP was $1.05 early on January 2018, so about over 3 years ago. So definitely a slower mover, but if we can get up to this $1 range, you're looking at about 17, 18 times 18x what it is right now. So huge opportunity to make some money on this coin. Plus it has a great utility, a great use case, and I definitely think it's going to do well in the future. Guys, there you have it, the 5 altcoins for Tuesday, August 10th. Cardano, ADA, XRP, Chiles, Terra Luna, and AMP. So guys, go have a look, do your own research, do your own due diligence, take a look at these cryptos. I think these are going to do wonderful things in 2021 and especially going into 2022. I hope you got some value out of this video. Please consider subscribing, dropping a like on the video, turn on those post notifications so you can be notified every time I drop a brand new video so you don't miss it. Sign up for Webull, check out my links in the description below, Binance, etc. Save on your fees. And thank you so much for watching once again, guys, and I'll see you all in the next video.